Looking for the best leaf vacuum or blower to keep your yard spotless? Stay tuned. We've ranked the top 5 so you can find exactly what fits your needs and budget. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the compact KIMO cordless mini blower and vacuum. It may be small, but this little guy offers a surprising set of features and a lightweight body that's perfect for those quick cleanups around the house or garage. This tool is incredibly easy to handle. At just over 2 pounds, you can use it one-handed without breaking a sweat. It blows up to 150 miles per hour, and while that's on the lower end of the spectrum, it's more than enough for clearing out corners, patios, or even dusting off your tools. Plus, it's a true 4-in-1. It can blow, vacuum, inflate, and deflate, all with the same setup. That kind of versatility in such a compact package is rare. That said, it's not for everyone. Its 200 CFM airflow doesn't pack the punch you'd want for tackling big leaf piles or yard work. The dust bag is tiny, and the build feels more plastic than professional. If you've got a large outdoor space or heavy-duty cleanup in mind, this might not cut it. But if you're looking for something super portable for tight spaces or quick touch-ups, this is a great little helper. And by the way, links to all the products we're talking about today at the best prices are waiting for you in the description below. Next up at number 4, we've got the WORX 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher. This one's for those who want to step up in power while still staying versatile and budget friendly. This tool brings some solid features to the table. It cranks out 210 miles per hour and 350 cubic feet per minute, which makes a noticeable difference over smaller cordless tools. It also uses a metal impeller, which means it's tougher when handling leaves and small debris. The angled nozzle is a nice ergonomic touch, helping you get under bushes or patio furniture without bending down. But here's where it stumbles a bit. While it vacuums and mulches well, it's picky. You've got to position the nozzle just right or it'll clog up. And while it's not overly heavy, it can feel bulky compared to sleeker models. Still, if you want reliable performance and solid mulching power, this one's worth a look, especially for smaller yards or occasional use. And if you're enjoying this review so far, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more gear guides like this one. In third place, the BLACK+DECKER Backpack Blower Vacuum delivers a big leap in both airflow and user comfort. This one is all about making yard work a little easier on your arms and back. With up to 250 miles per hour of airspeed and a solid 400 cubic feet per minute of airflow, this tool is built for serious leaf action. The backpack-style bag is a huge upgrade. It means longer cleanup sessions without needing to stop and empty. Plus, the zipper-free design is clever and mess-free. The power boost button gives you an extra kick when things get heavy, and switching between blower and vacuum is smooth and intuitive. Now, not everything is perfect. The impeller is made of plastic, which means it's not built for twigs or anything beyond soft yard debris, and a few users have noted durability concerns after heavy seasonal use. Overall, if you need a corded option with real power and better ergonomics, this is a solid choice, especially if you don't want to shell out for a premium model. Taking the runner-up spot is Greenworks cordless blower vacuum, and this one's a sweet spot between power and convenience. It's got enough airflow to handle typical yard cleanup, and it's cordless, so no messing with outlets or extension cords. At just 5 pounds, this tool is easy to maneuver even for longer jobs. The airflow hits 505 cubic feet per minute, which is better than a lot of corded models, and it doubles as a mulcher, helping you cut down the leaf volume into the bag. Plus, the brushless motor means quieter operation and longer life. But heads up, it doesn't include the battery or charger in the box. If you're not already in the Greenworks battery ecosystem, you'll need to invest in that separately, and the vacuum bag is on the smaller side. That said, for average-sized yards and anyone wanting cordless freedom without sacrificing performance, this is one of the most balanced picks out there. And coming in strong at number 1, the Husqvarna gas-powered backpack blower. This one doesn't mess around. If you've got a big yard or heavy leaf cleanup, this is the tool you want on your back. It It pushes out a monster 765 cubic feet per minute of airflow at 270 miles per hour. That's serious power. Enough to clear wet leaves, pine needles, and just about anything short of rocks. The harness system is padded and designed to balance the nearly 22-pound weight comfortably. And with the cruise control and air purge features, it starts easily and lets you keep a steady pace without gripping the trigger the whole time. But this kind of performance comes at a cost. It's loud, around 110 decibels, and it's one of the heaviest tools on this list. Not ideal for casual users or small spaces. You'll also need to deal with fuel, fumes, and maintenance typical of gas engines. Still, if you want unmatched performance and pro-level durability, this one's the beast of the bunch. It's the top choice for serious yard warriors. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite pick at the best price. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next top product review.